acting also. Kasi wala akong path talaga na...
Pero director na with ABS and Star ibang usapan na to kasi alam mo naman ang director natin dito, brand ka na rin, brand na rin kayo So, hopefully, di ba? Hindi we can never tell. So, are you embracing that later on na ididikta ng network ang magiging pathing mo na the next Olivia Lamasan ba to or ano man ganun?
parang ano po siya. Parang nandun pa lang po ako sa nakaganon pa lang po yung isang pa ako. Hindi pa ako hindi ko pa masyado na-embrace ng bonggang-bongga yung career element. Mas pa lang po ako So nag-start pa lang na I write, I direct, I do what I like creatively parang ganun.
Ikaw, Direk Dan, sino nakikita mong sorry baka lang naman nakikita mo sa mga male directors natin na papunta ka doon sa ganong direction?
Hindi ko din parehas. Spielberg. Sa totoo lang po parehas hindi ko po parang hindi ko pa din siya napapagplanuhan. Parang nasa pa ako, I'm just happy to be here.
May trabaho.
Na mindset. So, ayun po, hindi ko, in terms of career path, parang kung basta maagawa lang ng pelikula, masaya na ako makapag-shoot. Even as a cinematographer. Kasi first love ko talaga cinematography. So, ayun po, kahit...
Sino ba yung DOP na nag-direct tapos made it? Sorry, wala.
Feaster.
Wally Feaster. Na Pinoy si Derek Yam Laranas.
Okay.
Siya po. Siya yung... may Mike De Leon. Direct Mike. Ayun, sila yung mga cinematographer directors. Raymond Red. Direct Raymond Red. Yung cinematographer director din siya. Yun po.
Okay. Thanks, Direk. The last question will come from Miss Maridol. Wala kang gustong tanong?
Sige.
Sige nga, Miss Dol. Try mo lang. Si Miss Maridol is now with ABS-CBN Publishing. Kapamilya. Go ahead, Miss Dol.
Yeah. Piolo, you're a survivor of breakups, pag ganon, ano ang nasa isip mo? Bakit ka... Ano pinaka-biggest lesson over a breakup na natutuhan mo so far sa buhay mo?
Acceptance.
Acceptance.
Apa.
No explanation.
Yun lang.
Hashtag acceptance.
Saan kayo tumawa? Para ba nagka-moment? Yung 5 seconds na.
Naisip ko lang, the top of mind. I guess at the end of the day, kung may respeto ng mga sa sarili at sa isa't isa, mahal nyo isa't isa, you just have to learn to accept each other na wala namang perfectong tao sa mundo and just go from there.
Okay. Thank you.
And with that last question from Miss Maridol, Direk Antoinette, would you like to thank them for coming this morning and being part of this beautiful VlogCon?
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa VlogCon. It's always a pleasure talking with vloggers and being in a vloggers conference. Kakaibang kakaibang feeling.
Nakakatalino nga daw, sabi ni Bob.
So, yun po. Sana po, supportahan natin July 1 in Cinemas Nationwide. Tomorrow na!
Yes! And we have a red carpet premiere tonight. Please po, sana if you can upload the stories na today hanggang this week para makatulong tayo lalo. Direk Dan, please.
Guys, salamat po sa pagpunta na ngayong umaga. Salamat po sa suporta nyo at tomorrow showing in 180 theaters nationwide.
Wow, 180 tayo tomorrow.
The Breakup Playlist starring Sir Piolo Pascual and Sari Geronimo. Thanks,
Direk Dan. And of course, the box office king, Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, it's like what Director Ned said, it's a pleasure talking with you guys. Thank you for adding some sense into the topic and the movie because it's important na pag-usapan natin yung pelikula para at least malaman natin what it's all about. So yun po, let's spread the word, spread the love, and thank you for your time. God bless, and thanks back.
Tito Mario, dumawal, he made it. Hi, Tito Mario. And of course, again, thank you, BDO. Ayan ha, photoshoot back on. Thank you everyone for coming. Hope you enjoyed the rest of the